welcome back to my channel. I am artist Jayanta and today my watercolor tutorial on how to paint a abstract cityscape, urban cityscape with watercolor. At first I draw the line by scale the river side. The city is on river side and now I am sketching the shape of building. Not much details, just doing the shapes of buildings of the cityscape. And because it is a semi-abstract, so I will create this with colors. So the sketch not much important, just showing where to do the buildings and how to the shapes. And this tutorial is for beginners. Beginners always fear to paint watercolor. Don't know why. Just start with the colors and just paint and play with colors. By practice you will be a great watercolor painter. And now I am starting with yellow ochre and I will paint it after evening, not night, after evening. So you must create the atmosphere with this painting. And beginners, watch my full video. Hope you will enjoy it. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. I already have many watercolor and acrylic painting tutorials. You can also watch them. And many educational video on art and painting. Now I also painting the water and some waves with Persian blue, little darker blue it. Now you can see I already paint the buildings. Yes, I forget to capture the building paintings, but now I am starting the water second layer because I have to match the atmosphere of the painting. Sky, building, compare, the water was light, so I need to do the water darker. So I did the second wash on the water. Now it's looking great. And again I am paint some waves. Now the paper is completely dry. Now I am painting the boat. I am showing a steamer, something on the river, and now I am painting it. And I will do the details after that. It is not much left, just some light on the city's light and its reflection on the water. I will do the light with lemon yellow and the Chinese white. And you know, because it is evening, so the street light or the building light must be on, and I have to show the reflection of light in the water too. Yellow light, yellow reflection, and when the white light, the white reflection. It is very simple and easy abstract painting. Beginners, you can try it at home. Hope you enjoyed the painting process, and thank you for watching my video. And again, I am requesting to subscribe my channel, because I do very hard work for you guys, to the painting, the capturing video and the editing for you, and I hope I will continue it. So please support me, subscribe my channel and keep watching. And again, thank you so much for watching my video.